So we're back up at Castle Combe Circuit at FL5 Civic. Our main focus today is to grab some oil temperature data. We're about to head out for our first session and get a baseline from there. So we've just come in from our first session. Engine's hot. We've seen 63 degrees air intake temp at idle after that. First job's going to be pull off the plenum cover and install our heat sunk one. We're just about to head out on our second session, see if that intake heatsink can drop any temperature off that plenum. So following our second outing with our intake heatsink fitted, we've seen an average 10-degree drop, which is a huge improvement on our intake temperatures. We're now just going to get started on the oil cooler kit. Overall, pretty solid day. We've seen a drop in our air intake temperature, a drop in our oil temperature, and a drop in our caliper temperature. Success all round. Keep an eye out for these products dropping soon.